Chicken jalfrezi is a relatively new dish in India and quite popular as well in both UK and Pakistan. It was created by British Raj cooks as a way to use up leftovers using a cooking technique introduced by the Chinese. Instead of braising the chicken, peppers, and onions for hours as in most curries, the jalfrezi ingredients are quickly stir-fried. This not only makes it a feasible weeknight meal, but it also keeps the flavor and texture of the peppers and onions intact. Chicken jalfrezi is mostly served with naan or pulao, but sometimes served over pasta and eggplant curry.
ਭੌਂਕੀ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਕੁੱਤਾ ਹੈ